Good morning. How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Yeah. Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
When for?
Tonight.
Tonight?
Yeah.
What would the surname be? You there?
Yeah. Douglas Quaid.
Quaid?
Yes!
Have you been here before?
No.
What was the first name?
Douglas Quaid.
Douglas.
Yeah.
And a mobile contact number?
Negative.
Home number?
Negative.
Have you got a credit card?
No.
How are you paying for the room?
First, I would like to just get to know you.